down so there can cost more of them.
Oh, and what's a
Look
cost?
at that car.
Whoa, that's a robo car. It's like an automatic car.
This way.
Okay, I'll just follow you. You're my guide today, okay? अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। एक बहुत ही मज़ेदार व्लॉग के साथ मैं हूँ अदील। अच्छा, आज का व्लॉग जो था वो बिल्कुल भी प्लान नहीं था और मेरा कोई इरादा नहीं था व्लॉग करने का, लेकिन मुझे इतना कोई स्वीट और क्यूट एक गाइड मिल गया जो मुझे मशरूम पिकिंग के लिए लेके जा रहे हैं। और मैं आपका इंट्रोडक्शन कराऊँ, इट्स हमज़ा। That's my mushroom picking guide, and he has a book that says which mushrooms are edible and which ones are dangerous.
Yeah.
So you're gonna tell me about the mushroom picking, Hamza?
Yeah.
Okay, you know everything about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if it has this kind, if it's, wait, where is it? Where?
Okay.
And wait, where is it went? You see this, Yanni?
Yeah.
This one, right here.
Yeah.
Right here. If it has this kind of stuff,
Yeah.
it means it's Herkku.
Oh, it means Herkku means?
Yeah, because Marrakasta.
Okay.
That's Yanni.
Okay. तो चलते हैं जी, मशरूम पिकिंग करते हैं। Okay, but you have to say in English. My viewers don't understand Finnish.
English.
Yes. Like, what is satavetta?
Like the raining.
Oh, so the mushrooms like rain weather?
Yeah.
Rainy weather?
Then they collect, eat the water.
Ah.
The stuff will fall down from the head. They fall down so there can cost more of them.
Oh, and what's a cost?
Look at that car.
Whoa, that's a robo car. It's like an automatic car.
This way.
Okay, I'll just follow you. You're my guide today, okay?
You see the Metsän over there?
Yeah?
It's there.
Okay,
You also could go anywhere else.
I see. And how old are you, Mr. Guide?
I'm sick.
6 years old?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going?
Metsän.
To Metsä?
Yeah.
What's a Metsä?
A place that you can find easily mushrooms.
Like a forest?
Yeah, forest.
So a forest in Finnish is called Metsä?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a very, very good boy. And
Now we see it
ahkera
easily.
poika.
Now we can see the Metsän.
Oh, there's the Metsä, like the forest.
Yeah.
Right there in front of us. Yeah. Okay, let's go there. And are you gonna show me which mushrooms to pick and which ones not to touch?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't touch any.
Okay. But this is a beautiful place, Hamza.
Yeah.
Do you always come here for mushroom picking?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is there more Metsän? Is there just
Look at
one
that.
Metsän, Swami?
This is so beautiful.
Look at there. Now I see the Metsän. There are trees all the way to there.
Yeah. So we go in this forest, the trees in front of us.
anyone who comes with us, we have to bring them back.
Very nice, very nice. A tour guide is responsible for the safety of its pupil. So if it's a teacher, he's responsible that it takes everyone inside the Metsän and brings them back.
Look, everyone's sitting in Roski over here.
Where's the trash?
There and there.
Oh yeah.
And then you see
So
there. McDonald's.
so give a message to people about throwing trash in the forest.
No throwing trash in the forest, because then no, we don't like, because then everyone has to clean the forest.
Yes, so no littering in the forest, okay?
Yeah.
Because it might hurt animals here living in the forest and they might die.
That's not even funny.
Then that's not even funny. Very true. Let's go. ओके जी, ये गाइड तो बड़ा ही खतरनाक है, पहाड़ पे चढ़ा देता है. ओह, ही इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग गाइड. Where are we going?
Going up.
Okay, and why are we going up?
See, you see a lot of trees there.
Yeah.
You could easily hide.
So the good mushrooms are behind those trees?
Yeah, because they like to hide. So that's like...
They can hide?
Look, now they could easily hide.
Yes. So let's find some good mushrooms.
Let's go over here.
Okay. ये Hamza जो है ये mushroom picking में master है. And then now, but you have to keep me with you. I'm lost here.
Over here.
I'm totally lost in the forest, so you have to keep your students with you. Deeper. Oh, okay. So let's check the book. This is the mushroom.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's
I
check.
can't find it from the Sianikiria.
We cannot find it in the book.
Yeah.
So if we don't see it in the book, it means we don't know about it.
Yeah.
Okay, then we don't pick it up. Okay.
Here's a good spot to be Siani. Siani is like to be in pavement. Look, this is pavement.
Oh, so soft spots like
Yeah.
like marshy. You see, it's a soft spot. Wow, you know a lot of stuff about mushrooms. So this is the best one.
Yeah.
If we find this, we should eat this
Yeah.
for sure. Okay. So I just keep following you. Oh, there was a spider web on my face. So if it's not in the book, we don't touch it.
Yeah.
Okay. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारा छोटा सा क्यूट सा गाइड कितने मज़े से हमें जो है वो मशरूम पिकिंग के ऊपर लाया हुआ है. एंड दिस इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस एज के बच्चे लर्न करते हैं एंड दे आर सो एक्साइटेड. ये स्कूल में सिखाया जाता है इनको. ओके, व्हिच वन? What did you find?
This is Herkku,
Okay.
but someone just the Etana eat it, so it's not getting it.
So it's a bad one or it's a good one?
It's a Herkku, but the Etana...
Herkku is a good one?
Yeah, so this is a good one, but it's...
Something ate it, some
yeah.
insect ate it, so
Yeah.
we're not gonna pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's not pick it up.
More like a little...
Oh, there's another one. But this is also maybe
Yeah,
eaten by insects or something.
yeah.
Okay, let's not touch it.
The people, but you can't like get that. What is this blue thing? This something. Oh!
What is that? Let's see in the book. Is it in the book? I think that one. That one? This one?
Yeah, it's that.
It's Sopilu Vahvero. Is it? Are you sure?
Do you have a handskott?
No, I don't have. A handskott is a glove?
Yeah.
No, I don't have a handskott.
We got a jet. That's why you can see our...
Okay. So you can check from here.
Yeah.
Is it a good one? Oh,
It's a good one.
but it's eaten.
Yeah.
तो दोस्तों याद देखिए कितना मज़ा आ रहा है, लाइक ही इज़ सो अडोरेबल। जिस तरह से वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है और जिस तरह से वो उसकी एक्साइटमेंट देखने वाली है। और यहाँ पे स्कूलों में जो है ना वो आपको इस एज से सिखाते हैं कि आप मशरूम्स पिक करें, फॉरेस्ट में जाएं, फॉरेस्ट, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट जो है वो फिनलैंड के नेचर का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है। तो वो आपको जो है वो कंफर्टेबल बनाते हैं इस एज से कि आप इजीली फॉरेस्ट में जा सकते हैं। वहाँ पे आपको किस किस्म के जानवर नज़र आएंगे, किस किस्म की बेरीज नज़र आएंगी, किस किस्म के मशरूम्स नज़र आएंगे। और आप जो है वो आपको बताते हैं कि अच्छा आपने ये पिक करना है, ये पिक नहीं करना, ये जानवर आए तो आपने इस तरह से रिएक्ट करना है। तो इस एज से बच्चे जो है ना यहाँ पे ट्रेन हो रहे होते हैं, जिसकी मिसाल ही आप देख सकते हैं। सो अडोरेबल। व्हाट डिड यू फाइंड?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. More blueberries. Yeah, very nice. You are an expert spotter, Hamza जान। ये देखिए दोस्तों, किसी ने एक बड़ा क्यूट सा शेल्टर एक बनाया है, शायद बारिश से बचने के लिए। एंड इट सेज बंगर और अ बंकर। बहुत ही खूबसूरत, वो जैसे रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो था ना। लेट्स गो इनसाइड। यहाँ बैठ के और आप बारिश से बच सकते हैं।
What chain is that?
Which one?
Already burned or something.
I think it's Herkku, but it's dirty now. Like
Yeah.
it's too much
Let me
rain
see.
on top
Oh,
of it.
No, it's not Bali and Alas. It's not Herkku. Oh, mushroom.
Okay.
Do I not understand?
You are a super mushroom locator, Hamza Jan.
When it gets winter and cold, that means they're coming inside. So let's see if there's any.
Okay.
So does
So
it
they
mean-
know how to hide themselves.
Yeah, so there's no yellow thing. That means it's super local.
So the mushrooms hide underneath.
Yeah.
So which book helps you? What's the name of the book? So that my viewers would know and then they would buy this book. Can you show the front page of the book? Yeah. Metsän Tutkija. Okay.
Whoa! You almost stepped on that.
Okay.
Hey, these are Herkku.
Are these good ones?
You're good ones. Wait, where did they went there? It's this.
No, that's a different one.
No, it's just the rain is too much.
Ah, so it got little rain and that's why it's little.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're still not
but
getting
we're not
it.
collecting this. This tour is just information tour that you're showing me which ones are good and which ones are not. So next time when I come, I can pick them myself. But this is just that you are teaching me this time, right?
Look, hey, this is a good makeup.
So this is a good place.
Whoa, what is that?
That's a dog. Oh, and what is that? Is it a bad one?
Yeah, it's a volcanic carcassian. It's a white.
If it's white, we don't pick it.
It's white and.
Can you show it in the book?
It's white.
So if it's white, it's bad. That's a rule, okay? देख रहे हैं आप कितना मज़ा आ रहा है। ये बिल्कुल जो है ना वो समझ लें स्पॉन्टेनियस व्लॉग है, इसका कोई प्लान नहीं था। हमज़ा ने कहा कि चलें मैं आपको जो है वो फॉरेस्ट में लेके चलता हूँ और जो है वो आपको मशरूम्स के बारे में बताता हूँ। अब इतना क्यूट और इतना अडोरेबल गाइड मिलेगा तो कोई भी जो है वो इसको ऑफ कोर्स रिकॉर्ड करना चाहेगा, तो मैंने सोचा कि इस व्लॉग को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। उम्मीद है आप लोग एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे।
It's Herkku.
It's Herkku.
Yeah, we should get it.
But it's dirty. It's eaten.
Look. Page. Where did the page?
Okay, let's forget it. It's already dirty. Oh yeah, this one.
Yeah,
This one.
Look, it's the same. It has
It's the
those
same.
colors.
Yes.
So it's Vali Orakas.
Vali Orakas. Vali Orakas is good one.
Yeah.
Okay, good job, Hamza Jan. Now I know that this is a good one. Look,
at this one,
let's
'cause
show.
this is
Let's show
not
the
broken.
viewers. Viewers, this is a good one. Okay.
Look, get that one because it's not eaten.
Okay.
Just get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get it.
Okay. So if it's poisonous, I'll die, right?
Get your basket. Get your basket. We need from your nephew. Can we find a good siani?
ये देखें जी, this is a good one.
Wait.
It's what's the name? Vali Oracas.
Vale oracas.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. My tour guide, my mushroom instructor. It's so tiring. Aren't you tired? No. Okay. You're super. Whoa, such a big one. What does the book say?
Hey, this is the same as that one.
Yeah.
Still not getting it seeded.
Okay. So the rule is again?
To not touch it.
And not to collect?
Because it's eaten.
Okay. So I guess, Hamza Jan, we can say goodbye to the viewers and keep on collecting the mushrooms. What do you say?
Okay.
Okay, so let's do a goodbye together. So दोस्तों, mushroom collection हमारे adorable mushroom guide के साथ चल रही है. English में इसको mushroom foraging कहते हैं. और हमारे ये बहुत ही प्यारे से cute से adorable guide हैं Hamza, and he's very good in mushroom picking. तो हम mushroom collection अपनी जारी रखते हैं और अपने इस guide के साथ आप लोग enjoy करें. Don't forget to watch, like and
Subscribe.
Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.